Tēnā koutou ngā iwi o te Tauihu o te waka Maui. COVID-19 has certainly brought us into a strange and challenging world. And so it is really important that iwi remained united and support one another through the recovery period and beyond. It is also important that we continue to do the right thing and appreciate the combined mahi being provided for our whānau. On reflection, it is great that together we are doing things for ourselves and contributing to the mahi at the highest level. Kia kaha, he waka eke noa. And now to Olivia.
Kia ora matu Waihaere, tēnā koutou katoa. He mihi mai o hā ki ngā kaimahi, ki ngā kaiāwhina, ki ngā tangata tautoko o te wānau. He mihi aroha, he mihi nui ki a koutou katoa. Just want to shine a bit of a light on all of those who are out there helping kaumātua, helping tamariki, rangatahi, whānau, neighbours, others in need, just helping out. So just want to share my love and my thanks to you all. We've come such a long way, but we have got a long way to go. So together we can do this. He waka eke noa.